Gagawa tayo ng all-around low-carb sauce or dip. We will use very simple ingredients and procedure. Una, tutunawin lang natin ang butter. Then add all-purpose cream, pepper, salt, Cheddar's green dahan, moringa or malunggay powder, and small amount of mustard. Then mix well until we achieve a very smooth consistency. Now add low-carb cheese. Hintayin lang po natin na mag-melt until well incorporated yung mga ingredients. Tuloy lang po ang pagluluto over low heat hanggang sa ma-achieve natin yung thick but runny consistency. Then let it cool for a few minutes. At ngayon, try natin sa burger patty kung bagay ba sila. At syempre, hindi natin palalagpasin ang food plating. At baka magtatanong po kayo paano ginawa ang burger patty, please check link sa comment section. At sprinkle lang po tayo ng additional Cheddar's green dahan, moringa or malunggay powder. At syempre, yung herb natin fresh from our backyard. At ito na ang ating low-carb all-around sauce na babalik-balikan. Tikman na natin.
Promise. Hindi ko siya ipagpapalit sa regular gravy. Sobrang perfect. Guys, as in, try nyo po ito. Ang sarap po talaga.